If you want to know how to create a custom audience in Google Ads, then you're in the right place. I'm Travis Wilkie. I'm the founder of Missoula SEO Geek. And I've helped manage over $5 million in Google Ad spend for companies all across the world. And in today's video, I want to show you how to set up a custom audience segment that you can use to help show Google what type of people to actually put your ads in front of, which will shoot your profitability up through the roof, especially if it's done the correct way. So let's go ahead and dive into things here. Now, first things first, you're going to need to come into your Google Ads account, and under Tools, we're going to go into the Shared Library and Audience Manager. Then we're going to navigate over to Custom Segments here. From Custom Segments, we can click this plus sign, and let's say we want to have like, I don't know, custom closets, as this is for a custom closet company. That's the account that we're in here. From here, we can start finding the intent that people have when they are searching for our products. Now, it's important to differentiate with this type of audience segment. We're going to be using this for non-search campaigns, which means we're going to use this for like video campaigns, display campaigns, demand gen, even Gmail campaigns. So it's not really like a search campaign where the intent is in the search, right? So if somebody searches for a specific thing, you know that they're looking for what you offer, you can just show them your ads. So get that out of your mind for this video, at least. We're focusing on setting up an audience where we're saying, hey, Google, we think these people are the types of people that want to buy our service in this case, because it's a closet remodeling essentially, right? So from here, we can go do a search for closets. Small closet storage ideas would be a good one. Custom closet systems, custom closet organizers. These are all keywords people would search for, like custom closet designs, if they were interested in having somebody come in and build them a custom closet, right? So essentially what we've done is we've told Google, hey, go find people who have already been searching for this stuff, and then use that data to go build us an audience of all the people online, at least the people that Google has data for, that would be interested in the service that we offer. And we can already see it's female dominated. It's kind of a older, well, people are typically aren't under the age of 18 or even the age of 25 if they're looking to customize their closet. So it's giving us some interesting demographics already. Of course, we can continue to add more keywords in here if we want. But once we have added in the terms here, we can go ahead and click Save. And now we've created a segment of people who have that Google can create an audience around, who are like those people that are, or who are the people that are searching for these specific things. And then we can come over here. This is a video campaign, right? And so I've selected the campaign from the top here, and then under audiences, keywords, and content, I've selected audiences. And then I can click add audience. I'm going to need to select the ad group, of course. And then it's going to, if I go over here to browse, we should see the segment that we created down here in the custom segments. I don't think it's showing right now because I need to refresh this page. But basically we would just select it here and click save, and then that will add it into our audience segment here for our YouTube video campaign, right? And then that will allow us to go put our ads in front of the right people from the very outset of running this campaign. And when we put our ads in front of the right people, we're going to get better results and shoot that profitability up, 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 and up, until we are, able to see the sorts of profitability that we're looking for in a given campaign. Of course, we probably need to refine this and experiment and do some testing and things over time, but you get the idea, right? Either way, I hope this was helpful for you. If you do have any questions about setting up a custom audience for your campaigns, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here, and really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.